Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Tanvas Creation. So friends, as we know, online earning is a big source of income nowadays. As compared to any other private job, there is a limited amount of money you can earn even by doing extra work. But in online earning, you can earn unlimited amount and you don't need to work for a long time. You just need your smart work to earn good earnings. Nowadays, YouTube, blogs and affiliate marketing is a big source to earn money online. YouTube is a global platform where you can upload your videos by making YouTube channel and you can earn tremendous amount of money by limited time of work. But firstly, you have to make millions of subscribers and lot of videos to earn money, millions of dollars. But for new YouTuber, it is big challenge to grow their YouTube channel and make subscribers. New YouTubers require to learn how to make videos, titles, keywords, description, thumbnail, editing, etc. And time required to learn all these things is around 6 to 12 months. They watch YouTube videos of different categories related to how to grow channel to learn something. So this is a big problem for every YouTuber. So in this video I am going to introduce you new way to learn and to solve this problem. Today I am going to show you two books which is very important for YouTuber and it is basically made to solve the problems of creators and to grow fast on YouTube. The name of the first book is How to Make $1,000 from YouTube, which is in English edition, and second one is $1,000 from YouTube, which is in Hindi edition. In this book you will get to see lot of information, and this book have covered topics like how to make YouTube channel, how to enable monetization, how to create videos, various tools to create videos, video format, resolution and size, how to upload videos, YouTube analytics, how to make thumbnail, how to grow fast, etc. etc. This book is a to Z guide for new YouTuber and you will get to see how to work on YouTube. All the topics are mentioned in this book, which is very helpful to grow fast and earn money from YouTube. These books are available on Amazon.com and I am leaving the purchase link in description of this video, and if you interested to buy this book, you can purchase by simply clicking on the link in the description below. I am sure you will get the best deals. So I hope guys you got some knowledge from this video. Then do like and share to this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel yet. So thank you friends, bye bye and see you in next video.